Hello everybody. Now this is only going to be a really tiny video because yesterday I wasn't going to go to Vinnie's because I didn't think they had anything I'd like, you know. And I was wrong. So I want to show you what I got, and I hope what I got's good. I got books. Hang on a minute. I need to go out a bit. There. Oh, now you can see. I just went push like that. Okay, look at this. This is in Danish, I think. Okay, so the cover is made out of like a really thick cardboard. I don't know whether the pages are like this or it was against something that made the pages like this. It might have been standing on something that's got them all rough like that, but then the top of it looks like that too. See, is that how they cut the pages out? This book is, it's about, I don't know what this one's about. I could not work out what language it was in because I'm not, I can't only speak Australian, I think. I just could not work out what it was. I don't know if there's this is 1830, but I don't know if that's when the book was published. I don't think so. I think it was published a bit after that. That's about the lady. I thought I've seen somewhere. Look at this, isn't this cool? I could not believe that this was there. I just was absolutely stunned. Got some really nice pictures in it. Really nice pictures. Oh, there's another one. I don't know what I'm going to do with the paper. There's another one. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Wow. So you don't reckon. I think that's Eugene, that says, doesn't it? That the name. There's a man. That's a nice one. There's a lady. The same lady. It's about the lady. And if I could go and Google it, I can find out who she was, and because I know that I've already Googled these other ones because I have a few of them and I've already Googled them, and they're I think some of them are true stories. This lady here, this is a true story about this lady, Madame Curie. I don't know how if this is Danish too, because I don't know what the language is on them. I suppose they're all the same. Maybe somebody can tell me anyway. This says 1939, this one. And its pages are the same, and I don't know if they've just been rubbing on against something that's wrecked them or what. But then again, like I said, the top's the same and the bottom is too, and they're not, the pages are not in any level or anything. It's really cool. Really cool. It's, you know, like for journals. And so this has enticed me to get back into that as well as the sewing, so I'm going to do both because I figure I can do both. I'm really, look at these nice pictures, aren't they cool? I like the pictures in here. Photographs. Let me see if there's another. Oh yeah, look at that one. That's really nice, isn't it? Now this, I don't remember what it said this lady did. Maybe you can tell me that. This is a picture of her in 1905. And the little girls, or whether one of the girls is her or was that she was the mother one or what. I can't read it, so I can't tell you. There's another one, 1912. That one was taken. That is her. She made something. What did she make? She made something. I know. I can't tell you because I don't know now. Oh dear. Can't read it. I've tried. I can't read it. So there's that one. I don't know if it had the date in it. It might do. Let me see. Hope you can see what I'm doing here. I don't want to. Well, I had 39, so I don't know when somebody bought it was then. Okay. So then there's this other one here. I don't know. This is Ludwig something. Oof. Oh, I can't say this either. This must be him. About this king, I'd say. That is a king. Is that a king? And I don't know what language this is in. If they're all the same, I couldn't even tell you. There's not a word here that I know. And so all the look at the pages in this one. Is that how they were originally, or they've been ruined by something? But then the top of it's the same. Look at that, every page. So it must have been cut out like that. Looks like we used the tear ruler on that, doesn't it? Or a tear ruler of some sort. It was 26, whatever that is there. It was really thick. It's really thick paper too. I haven't even torn a page out to turn it over, to fold it over to see if it breaks or anything. I hope it doesn't. So this will this is 8. Is that an 8? I don't know what this is. These Roman numerals are not one of my... I could sit down and think about it for a while, and then I might get you to give you an idea. And then there's this one here. I did get them all. I thought, why not? This one here's 1946. So not very old. Well, if you look at it and you think, well, I was born in 1955, I don't think this is very old. I don't think this is very old, do you? This book. It just depends how old you are, what you think's old and what's not, I guess. I just like the way it's... Look at that, isn't that nice? A beautiful picture, that is. Beautiful. That one. There, one there. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Got nothing. I've got no idea whatsoever. All these nice pages in a different language, but they're all probably the same thing. It was 28 and a dash. I don't know what that was either. So maybe you can tell me that one. Oops. And then there was this one here, and this is a hardcover one. This was 1960. Well, this is definitely not old. And there's some writing in there, so who ever got it. And this was 22 and a dash. Okay, 22 and a dash. So I don't even know what this is about. I've got no idea. I don't think it's got any images in it. It's just really nice because it's people. I don't know. We just like the old books, don't we? And their the different languages is good too to have. If you want to do anything sort of like that. I was watching somebody on, I think it was it might have been Treasure Books, and she said that we don't get many things like this in Australia, and I don't know how, but I did. You know, I don't know how, but I did. I got all these the other day, and they cost me $2.50 for all of them, because nobody wanted them, and I couldn't believe that they actually didn't throw them away. I was so pleased that they didn't throw them away, because, you know, because they're a little bit tattered, they probably thought they were no good. But I don't know how they could have got like that, and that's how they were made in the first place. I got nothing on that, I'm sorry. And I also was lucky enough to get some packets of parchment paper, and I put that, where did I put that? A friend of mine's come around this morning to visit, and so I gave her some. What did I do with it? I don't know. It's here somewhere. But the lady didn't charge me what the prices that were on it, because this packet here had, this one that I've actually come out of the thing, that had $4 on that. And isn't it nice, this paper? And then I got a silver one, and I gave her the other packet. This had $2 on it, but I think she only charged me $1 each anyway, because, I don't know, she might have been just feeling that way. This one here is very thin. It's really nice, isn't it? Look at that. And there's some more there. So, they were only $1 a packet, so I had 3 altogether, and I gave one to Julie, so I shared her some, because I'm not going to use all that. She doesn't do journaling, but so she didn't need any of the other papers, but it was really good to get all those goodies. What have I got here? Oh, another book. Pegworth. Oh, this is cool. I probably would have showed you that, maybe. Look at this, and it's in really good nick. Wow. Well, see, the room's been has moved around a little bit and put things were stacked up yesterday or the day before, so we can make space in here. There's most things gone back up onto the shelves where I dragged them down from. How old's this one? I don't know, but it's brown, isn't it? It's got the colour. It's a really brown colour, and I've never used any of it. I don't even know what the date is on there. I can't find nothing. Can't find anything on it. What's that say? Reader's Library. Can't see what that says there. Charles Reed. It's got Peg. It's about Peg Worthington, and I don't know why I would have not. I probably didn't want to use any of it because it was too nice. Can't see nothing. Can't see a date. But at least it's got it in English. Well, that's a nice one, isn't it? I'll have that. It's mine anyway. You know, you've got to keep them things. Okay, so I also got these ones here. So I'm showing you these books because they're new to my collection. These are birds. Now, hang on a minute. These actually got somebody's things in them, so I don't know if I could show you this. So a friend of mine kept me these bird books, and from a Care and Assist the other day. All these bird pictures, but it's also somebody's diary, which I'm not going to be able to show you that one, am I? Oh, look at that one. Isn't he cool, isn't he, with his hairs? No, I can't show you that because this lady's diary, mostly it's got people's addresses and things in. And this one here is Birds of Australia. These are nice birds. This one's from Western Australia, these black ones. And these galahs, we have those all over the place. They're usually out down in the paddock getting a few seeds out of the grass. White cockatoos and black ones. Nice birds. And she kept these for me because she knows I like bird pictures. And I might get around to doing something with them one day, I hope, because I've got a truckload of bird books and animal thing. Well, I've got a lot that I've got to go through again. Look at that. That's a nice kookaburra. And this little bloke, isn't he good? He's a kingfisher. Love these. And we got all those nice beautiful birds about, so that's good. So that was another book that I got. I think that's about all I've got to show you today, because I want to do some videos now and a bit of some tutorials for some work that I'd like to try myself. So I'll talk to you later, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, because I really enjoyed picking up those books. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.